Welcome back, Barbecue Board's Kitchen. Tonight we're doing some chicken drumstick lollipops. Yoder's heating up right now. Like this video, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and cut the cartilage off of this guy so that it'll stand flat when we're done. Secondly, we're going to get down to right where the meat begins on the bone and cut around here, peel the skin off there, and then these guys are going to stand up just like that, and we're going to get them seasoned, get them on the grill. Go ahead and go around the perimeter of the bone. All right, so you can see it's separated. Put a little slice in it, it should pull right off. Grab a paper towel. Just like that. And push that meat down on there, and they'll stand up just like that right there. Got all of our 12 drumsticks, lollipop.